Exercise 407. Let's start. Madam Deputy Chairman, I am glad that the 7th annual report of the National Small Industries Corporation Limited has been taken up for discussion today. I am one of those who sincerely believe that small industry has to occupy a paramount position in our economy. I do believe that it has to play a very vital and dynamic role in our economic growth and development. Sometime past, when this matter was debated on my motion, I made certain observations. The honorable member was good enough to reply to some of the points raised by me, except the reply I heard on that occasion. Nothing seems to have been done in regard to the various matters which inhibit the growth and development of the small sector para. Madam, our country is a country of small people, small traders, small entrepreneurs without much resources at their command, and a country which requires very large effort to absorb the unemployed men and women. And we all agree that the small units provide a large scope for employing the unemployed. Government has been professing all along that it believes, as we do here, in the development of the small scale sector. I wish the professions would come true, but unfortunately, I find that not so much of fervor is exhibited in implementing the professions that they have been making off and on. At the outset, I have to point out that there seems to be no appreciation or understanding of the nature of the small units. I say this because small units have been mistakenly conceived as units manufacturing only small items. I am afraid this conception is wrong, and small units are, in a way, large units in miniature. They can manufacture all the items that the large units can manufacture. Small units are small because investment is small. Machines employed are very few, but all the products of large industry can very well be manufactured by small units, and thus the small scale industries cannot be termed small in the sense we regard cottage industries or village industries. So this conception has to be clearly understood whenever we deal with small industries better. Now, what are the problems besetting the small scale industries? Some attempts were made in the past, perhaps even by the National Small Industries Corporation, to remove the bottlenecks which were there. Steps have been taken to streamline the procedure. Stop. Thank you.